First, a very congratulations, Rohit,
Thank you.
for your victory. How are you feeling at first?
I'm elated because this victory I've expected, but the last moment I was very much confused that how it will go and all. But I'm really very much happy right now, and I think it is well deserved.
So, are you giving a 10 on 10 to Rahul Dravid as your coach?
Actually, I'm not qualified enough to just read my coach, but he's very much big player than me. But I think I want to dedicate this trophy to him because when he was in the team and when he's as a coach, he did a wonderful job. And I think for all his support, we are still over here because India was struggling to get a cup for a very long time. And without his support, I think it is kind of improbable to get it.
So, when India last got the World Cup in 2011, you are not in the team and you are not also in the Australia series. So, how are you feeling as it is, I think, the most important and the greatest moment of your career as a captain, as a player?
Sure. When our team won in 2011, I was very happy, but it was sad to me also that I was not in the team. From that moment, I always pursue the cup. That I need a cup for my country, and I'm very happy that I got the World Cup and I am the captain of this team. So, like, I can't mention all my feelings with the words. The words come short when I just want to express it.
So let's go for a very important question that everyone, a lot of people are thinking that Shivam Dubey got selected for our team, and that's why for him, Rinku Singh, the well-deserved player, didn't got selected. What is your views on that as you are captain?
See, you can't judge a player like this. Like, you can't say this player is better and this player is not. Even you know Virat Kohli is a great player, but he didn't perform that well in most of the match. But see, in the final he did a wonderful job, and even for Dubey also did a quite a good job because when we just lost so many wickets and he hold up the team, I think he did a good job. But yeah, it is not only the me who just decide the whole team. There's a whole bench around here who to decide who will play and who will not. Yeah, it's sad that Rinku is not in the team, but we can't do anything because we have some limitation with us.
So at first, India won and decided to bat first.
Yes.
Can we say that that leads us to win the victory as a captain? You have to, and you always doing a wonderful job, and you definitely have to read the pitch to choose what you want to do at first. So you chose batting. What was your strategy behind it?
See, apart from this strategy, actually I like to bat first. I want my team to defend later and to do the great job before that. Yes, expert also advised me to bat first, but it was mostly because that I wanted to bat first and wanted to do a great score for them. Yes, you are right. The pitch was a little dry at the first and little get wet and the balls were a little slow. But I don't think that we only won just for the pitch and our only decision to bat first. It was our terrific bowler and the batsman. It was a team effort, and everyone in the team does their job very good.
Okay, so even if we don't want to talk about the last year's 19th November's nightmare, which is considered the black day of Indian cricket history, still in the whole tournament we won every matches and still we lost it. And in this tournament also we did perfectly well, we did stunningly well, but still we were lacking at the first innings and maybe and the second innings also. But as a game changer, maybe Surya Kumar's catch and Hardik Pandya also. So was that really concerning? That last year's experience was really concerning for you and your team?
Actually, people mostly talk about that, but as a player, I always think that winning and losing is a part of game. And in cricket, you can't say we'll win until the last ball, and it is proven earlier also, Nityan. Yeah, we did our best in this game also, and also previous, but yeah, this time we won, and I really feel happy. And it is, yeah, you said that Surya Kumar Yadav has a great contribution of taking that amazing catch, but still I think that other player did the great job. Even I have to mention about Bumrah, the bowling he has done is phenomenal. And like the every team player, like I can't just say that this is the one player who just did a well and for him we won the match. It's a team effort, I always say. Without the team, no one is nothing.
So we all know very well about the Hardik Pandya trolling, and also after he did an amazing thing, the memers, the social media memers are telling that every successful man, behind every successful man, there is a story of woman leaving him. What's your say about it?
Actually, I don't know much about that because it's his personal thing. But the main thing is, I don't give much of attention to the trollers because trollers are mostly the most unexperienced people in this world. They just want to troll. Like a person who is just like who is unemployed, who didn't have any degree, didn't do anything in his whole life, didn't hold a bat. He's trolling Virat Kohli. So I don't think that these people are qualified to do so. And I think media is also responsible for that because they only put a finger to the player that he is not playing well. There are many factors, like a player may be in a good form, but it was not his day. Maybe he just out in the first bowl. But it is not like that he is not a good player. So I request the people that stop judging a player like an Indian player who made so much effort to be in this team like this. But for the Hardik Pandya, I think that yeah, trollers did a like they troll like anything whenever he is entering the field. They troll him so much. But I think they should not do that.
Okay. So as a last question, the rumors of Virat Kohli taking a retirement and you also, as you guys have done a really good job in this Indian cricket history, and your friendship, your bonding has no words left. So what you wanna tell about his retirement?
Actually, it's Virat is a very phenomenal player. Everyone knows, and I think he's the most popular player in this world right now. So I think it would be better if he disclose his own retirement to the world. But for me, I think yeah, I played enough. There are much greater player also before me, but everyone has a time. So I think it was my time, and I did quite well. I had a lot of experience, and yeah, I think I should leave it for the newcomers now.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much.